Oh wait, how did? Oh fuck
The fuck
me.
you do, dog?
Ballroom, please.
You gotta
I
get
just
the fuck
can't
up
get
here
up
first.
there.
Jeez, low.
Well, there's a big circle in my screen. It says party, host starting.
Oh,
Oh my
Quinn's gonna
God.
be difficult.
No, not rooftops. No, I need ballroom.
No, you
Man,
don't.
Come on.
We need dance party because there's a question
Are
mark
you-
on dance
You
party.
gotta be kidding me.
Yeah.
3-1.
That's
3-1.
insane. All right.
Which
buddy.
animal is
Pretty good.
Quinn? I'm gonna fucking get him.
Do it. You won't. No
Get
balls.
him.
Oh shit. Unreal.
Oh,
Cecil.
first on me. Got first.
I want a
on me.
refund.
Cecil thinks he'll win
Yeah.
this.
Oh,
Get him.
good one.
Now he's gonna
Cannon.
go hard. I
Got
know
that cannon
Cecil.
tech on you. Got that cannon. That'd be crazy.
Okay.
Good
Damn
one.
it!
Dang it! How do we?
Thought that would get him.
How do you jump?
The space bar?
Space bar?
Yeah.
No, that can't be it.
Good one, Quinn. Good one, Quinn.
That can't be it.
Thank you. I gotta
Wow.
give Cecil a
That's
chance.
going in. That's going in the video. That's crazy.
Flip
Clip it.
Where's the portal tech, Cecil?
Just wait. Just wait.
Portal tech, Cecil. Portal tech. Oh man, the cannon if you get in it. Oh, bud. That's right. There's a cheat code if you press XXYB, cook a burrito. Oh, you didn't do it.
Cook a
Really?
burrito.
Oh,
Are you fucking-
Oh.
I don't think I played one round yet. Cause
Wow.
hey. Fucking.
Oh,
fuck
panic,
the
panic,
ice.
panic,
The
panic,
ice.
panic,
Damn
panic.
it.
Oh man, I thought Travis was dead.
Don't worry.
No way. He won't.
Oh, hit it, hit it.
Oh
Hit it.
shit.
He won't. Oh, wow.
I sure hope he doesn't step on something. Oh.
Ah, that's it.
Oh, I
You gotta
didn't
make it
notice
miserable.
Are
Oh,
you fucking? No way.
that.
There's just no way.
Yeah, good luck jumping off that.
Good luck balancing on
Yeah, there ain't no way.
No
dude.
way.
There ain't
No
no
way.
way. Why does it still show Carl alive? That's
Yeah,
crazy.
come on now.
Come on, give us another punching glove. Come on, please. Oh, what a penis
Uh-huh.
licker.
Uh-huh.
What a penis
Wow.
licker. Dude went straight for the
Yeah,
heart.
come on, man just denies any fun. Unreal.
Okay, I deserve that. I deserve that.
Come here, buddy. Come here.
Let me get a little closer. Let me get a little closer.
A little closer.
A little
Try it.
closer. Oh,
Ooh, it's a little
Oh.
bit closer.
Chad with the jump. Chad with the jump.
I had hope. Remind me to not have that again.
Oh, the tech.
Oh.
Oh, the tech.
Fuck.
Oh,
Oh.
No, you can't die. Not after this.
Wait, don't go yet.
the tech. The tech.
Stay on
Well,
it.
you better jump now.
You're not there. You're not there yet.
That's insane.
I couldn't
That's
see
crazy.
shit because it's so zoomed up there.
Oh
God.
shit!
Couldn't see shit. Unreal.
Gotta do.
All three of us instantly.
I'm gonna
You
go
don't fall
the
in there.
non-conformative route.
Oh my goodness.
Wait. What?
Huh?
What? How are you doing
Hey.
that?
You can't park
Doing
up there.
what? Oh fuck.
Thought he was dead.
Damn it!
Okay.
Oh wait, he is dead.
Were you serious?
I thought
didn't
you were
know?
jumping.
Yeah, he is.
Like, what the
That's
hell?
crazy, dude.
He is jumping. He ain't dead. He's playing dead.
Uh-huh.
Oh, I'm
Oh,
dead,
Oh, now
dude.
Cecil saw the strat from me. Unreal. Yeah. Unreal. Hit that barbed wire. You won't.
Dude, the panda's
Hit that barbed
fucking
wire. Why don't you get real close to that barbed
flossing.
wire for me?
Wait, is that gritty or
Get
flossing?
closer. 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 Unreal. Closer. Closer. You can inch
Hey,
a little
hold
bit
that B button.
closer.
It's a boost.
Oh,
Oh,
Chad, you can do this. Chad,
Nope.
keep going.
That's
Oh,
right.
you got this, man. You got this. Can't let Cecil be the only one that wins.
No.
Yeah. Fuck.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Non-conformative.
You gotta be. Good
One
one.
more.
Whoo!
Damn it.
Oh, what am I doing here? And I'm dead. Oh. Could get that.
See if
Don't
you can do it.
panic. Don't panic. Hey. Don't
Force
panic.
his
Oh
circular
shit.
floss. Oh, wow.
Oh,
How tall is that, Bill? How far?
I don't know if I can do it.
Yeah, alright.
Unreal.
Wow.
He's pulling the hacks. He's got that modded
Unreal.
fucking mouse. Jesus
Unreal.
Christ. Modded fucking mouse. He
Dude
can
pretended
mod
like
it
he
to where he
didn't know
makes
how
the
to
building
play.
super long. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Oh, that coin mine. Oh.
Coin.
Oh, shit. Get close.
Make
I
sure
think, bitch.
you make it unwinnable.
Oh, yeah, of course.
No
Now,
hands bar.
put
I mean, all
something-
bar, all no holds bar. Oh, no! We all got to punch.
No, I'm stuck.
Be original. Oh! My balls.
Ba, 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 ba.
How'd you die, Chad?
I got my balls cut off.
Alright, I'll let you go, Quinn.
Oh.
I ain't as good as I once was, but I was good once as I ever was.
Okay. Yep, mistimed that one.
Me, my twin sister Betty Lou.
Chad, what is up with you singing copywriting songs tonight, dude?
Oh, I meant Betty Sue.
Oh, damn it. Oh. Words of wisdom, I need them.
Stroke too hard and long, you'll come.
Wow.
I tried that. It doesn't
Too
work.
short and soft, you won't.
That's great.
God, he's a genius.
Wow, dude. I've never heard anything that great in my life.
Bo, you have enough to make a grown man cry, dude.
Hey, Chad.
Hello?
Hey, bud.
Hey, what the fuck? God bless America. I was just adjusting
no.
my keyboard. Now
Oh.
the karma will do its
Okay.
karma thing. Oh, that was wow.
Yeah, I probably deserve that.
Hi, Travis. Hi, Travis.
Hey, buddy. Whoa, look at the strat.
What
there.
is this?
Oh, he's panicking.
Freestyle
He's panicking.
parkour?
He's panicking.
Oh, come on. I was
Look,
on
he's
that building. I
panicking.
didn't have the mod installed, of course, typical.
Yeah.
Sorry, you didn't have the right
the
keyboard.
mouse.
Mod.
You didn't have that tech.
The longer building mod. Unreal.
Wow. Yeah,
Wow.
that's just
Mm.
fucked up.
Oh, just like Mario.
Oh, okay.
Whoa, come on.
Oh, it's possible.
We're
I
like
don't
the
know how,
mice in
though.
the bucket trap.
Quit.
What the?
All about timing.
All about timing.
Oh, let's go.
Damn it, dude. Damn.
Okay. It's because the camera was zoomed out. For the
See it, Cecil.
He's not about it.
He's about it. Watch this.
Now he's gonna
Watch
slip,
this.
break a
Gonna
hip.
slip.
How did you do
come
this?
on.
You better just
Don't tell him.
go right for
Oh,
that
I won't.
cannon. Oh man, it's showing.
Yeah, them mods.
You already got him installed, bud.
Not the right
Oh,
ones.
It's a close race.
It is a
Two
close race here.
Turns left. Seriously, got that tech on you?
Yeah. Yeah, I got that check.
Okay, what in the? Right as we spawn in, we have to be fighting for. Okay. What, the slaughterhouse?
No, it's impossible.
Yeah, no, the other way.
Oh,
That's possible,
Yeah.
I think. Oh, it's possible.
Travis, it's easy. Watch this.
Okay.
Oh, longer building mod. Oh, it didn't work that
Ah.
time.
That board shoved me right back into the spiky thing.
Well, Travis is aboard there.
Oh, thanks, Chad. Thanks, bud. As Chad mysteriously decides his next decision, he jumps once up, looks up, types in the chat.
Walk into
Walk
it.
into it. He looks up again. Play by play right
Bo,
here.
words of wisdom again.
Down,
we need
up.
it.
Jump, jump, jump to the right.
Anything, whatever
Jump
you're
to
thinking
the
off the top of your head. Anything.
Crisscross. Crisscross.
Grows long,
Finish it
the
on
night
the
gets
red
slow.
side. Hold B, it's for a boost. Trust.
Damn. Bo,
Down.
Why is it $10 for a fucking golf course? That's what fucking I want to know.
Oh, panicking,
That's
and he's
ridiculous.
dead.
My nuts.
$10? Jesus.
Yeah, 10 fucking.
Oh, come on. Somebody is
Oh,
gone.
this is the
Get
last
this.
turn. Bees.
Uh-huh. Beats.
Bees.
What is
Bees.
got?
Easy money. Damn, I should have went. Travis, you're panicking. Hey, Travis.
A little
Oh. Travis, it's okay.
God damn it.
Travis.
Oh, the tech.
How did I get crushed? I
Oh,
got crushed.
Carson won. Bo, I need you to come in and demolish him.
Disposed of you.
Bees.
Whee!
Oh,
the
he's got the
bees.
bees.
The bees, lad. The bees.
The one.
You're the ultimate panda. Express.
You freaking panda. I should have
Express.
had the panda, not you.
Well, Bo, I gotta go poop. You better get in.